And this color book is something I created based off of Brenda Swensons, who gives a brief description in one of her videos. And I love the idea of these 2x2 size cards that have the name of the paint. It has the paint on it, dark to a lighter. And then I've got the brand abbreviations, and I've got the pigment. And the pigment is important to have because as I'm going on, I'm learning that there might be 3 different brands that are made out of PB, which is pigment blue, number 15. There may be 3 of those, but they look very different. And knowing that is helpful, especially when you're going to work with your paints when you're painting.